everybody, Tracy and Pell here. We are going to show you today what is in our Advent kit. We are going to open day one. It's the 2nd of December today, so we're going to show you what was in yesterday's parcel, and we're going to show you every day right until Christmas. So Pell, would you like to help me open these up? Let's do it. Alrighty. So we're going to start with number 1. Okay, Pelly, do me the honours. Open it up, see what's inside. I'll take Sunshine. And you open the parcel.
Okay.
You got it?
I've got it.
You can rip it, it's okay.
Okay. You can put her back on my lap.
Day 1 is the Uniquely Creative paper pack. So this is our very first paper collection and we're so excited to share this with you. It's called Wise and Free and there are 16 sheets of paper in here. I'll give you a quick look. You will be able to buy this in January if you didn't get a kit. There are some limited stock of all the products that are in this kit. Not many, and of course it'll be a lot more cost a lot more than what it would have been if you had bought it within the kit, but you will be able to buy these products from your local scrapbooking store and from our website in January, 1st of January. But let's wait till tomorrow before we open that one, Pell. Thank you guys, and you can tune back in every day and we'll show you what was in the next day. Bye.